Walang sistema, kaya walang tiwala. Alam mo ba anak, maraming business couples na nag-aaway dahil sa pera. Bakit mo binili yan nang hindi mo naman ako tinanong? Saan napupunta ang kita natin? Parang ayaw mong ipakita sa akin ang numbers, ha? I've been in business for many years and let me tell you, I have seen this pattern too many times. Yung mga couple na nag-umpisa to build something together, tapos biglang nagkaroon na ng wall between them, it's not because wala nang pagmamahal, love is lost. No, it's not because of a third party. Not always. And guess what? It's because there are no systems. You see, when there are no clear systems for tracking money, for making decisions, for defining roles, lahat ng bagay ay nagiging personal. Personalan lahat. Every question feels like an accusation or interrogation. Every mistake feels like betrayal. And slowly, trust erodes. Nawawala ng tiwala sa isa't isa. And ito yung nakaka-break ng puso ko. Couples think it is a relationship problem. Kaya they try couples therapy. They try better communication. They promise to be more patient with each other. Pero ang totoong problema, simple lang. Walang sistema. So today, let me share with you 5 situations in which things get messed up because of lack of systems. Trust me. Tandaan natin, dapat always maging business-minded Pinoy.